Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today, Monday, the market was a little slow. However, we had a continuation on Nasdaq and S&P 500. US 30, on the other end, it did a little pullback. I was kind of expecting different things on US 30 today. It was a little tricky. The market created, like you can see, going from the 1 hour perspective, we're seeing the price structure. At least from here, the price was bullish, was pushing up, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, up until this area right here. We see the BOS, the break of a structure to the upside, and then failure right here. Big drop right here. This is breaking now the previous low, so it's creating our change of character right there. Now, we can see that on a 1 hour, the market created a nice little order block at the top. And the market went down after that pretty strong. You see a very nice clean move right here in this drop. This is pretty much the movement that caused the breakout, right? That caused the change of character. So price today actually pushed up, activated my sell right here, and it went down. And this drop, I was securing partial profits. I was aiming to the bottom. I was actually aiming below this lows, pretty much back to this area. And the market just after it dropped like that, after securing some profits, the price actually went up and it stopped me out on break even. So, but I don't know if you can see here, it's kind of very close, but this is the gap. I'm not sure if this was totally covered. It wasn't. Like you still have a gap right here. Like you can see, this is when the market opened on Sunday. In my country, the markets normally open on Sunday at around 6 p.m. So when the market opened, you see the gap, the separation. However, look at this. The market pushed up a little bit, but it didn't ended up actually closing or filling up that little gap right here. There was still a little gap right there, and that's the thing that actually needed to be filled. The market went up all the way up just to fill that gap that was on Sunday, and then after that the price just went down. So yeah, kind of tricky. But look at all the noise. Like if we go in smaller time frames, 15 minute, 5 minute, look at all the noise today. A lot of noise. I was thinking that after seeing that huge weak rejection right there, a bunch of huge selling orders were activated, and I was expecting the market to move a lot faster to the downside. But hey, it did that little trap right there, liquidating basically. And then it looks like it's going down now. The market just, Asian session just opened. Again, we have a little gap right there. Let's see what's going to happen at this during Asian session. See if it's going to consolidate or what. Because like if you look at it from this perspective, we're technically waiting for the market to actually activate the sale in order to actually go down the order block on a 1 hour. Now let's see if perhaps I'm missing something here that I don't know. That is maybe the sales actually did get activated here. No, I don't think so. That's very separated right there. Let's see, 2 hour time frame. Something had happened because market is still no, definitely the entries did not get activated. Not yet. So guys, I don't know, something is going to happen here this week. If it's either maybe with the remember that on Tuesday and on Wednesday, I'm sorry, we're having the CPI data report. So I would say the next couple of days, I was reading some news, and the next 10 days actually it's gonna be fire. Markets will be crazy. because there are a lot of news coming up in the next couple of days, the next 10 days to be exact. So a lot of things happening in Europe as well, with like Russia is blocking the gas system, I believe, to Germany for like 10 days or so as well. And a lot of things are going on, a lot of things, and there's a lot of fear. And this CPI report that will be coming out this weekend, this Wednesday, it can cause a lot of volatility, and a lot of crazy things can happen. The market could either skyrocket or crash again, have a massive crash. This will depend on what the CPI data report is going to be going. So yeah, a lot of hectic things, crazy things will be happening. Let's go on Nasdaq. I wanted to show you what I was expecting on Nasdaq. Also, you can see the nice BOS breakout of the structure. If we go on a, let's go back on a 1 hour. So we have the BOS and the price, nice momentum to the downside. This is with the New York Stock Exchange opening right here, leaving a nice order block at the top. We had that imbalance. For some reason, I was expecting the market actually reach the order block and to cover that imbalance right there, but it didn't. Will it happen tomorrow? Not sure, but it did not continue actually pushing up. So at this point, as I mentioned, a lot of things can happen. Orders are still open because I have this current sell open, the big one, but I wanted to, I was waiting for the price to come back here and fill up this imbalance, but no, it didn't. And even perhaps getting back to the top, but none of these entries were open today. However, the main one, it is. Okay, so still holding that one, break even already. And let's see if it's going to continue to the downside. There are a lot of imbalances below here that needs to be filled. So I am definitely expecting the market to continue crashing just because of these order blocks right here. We had an imbalance also here that was already covered. You know, this entire push already covered that imbalance. So good in there. And if we go on S&P 500, awesome. Look at this beautiful reaction, and there immediately going down. Today was kind of like similar to Nasdaq, waiting for the price to, you know, after creating the BOS and the change of character, I was kind of waiting for the market to go on top. Now it's creating this double top right there, so I know we have potential liquidity right here, that, and we have this imbalance that also needs to be filled. Eventually the price will come back up. When, we don't know. This could happen actually maybe on Wednesday. So let's see if maybe the market will continue to the downside a little bit during Asian session, and we'll start correcting in tomorrow. Let's see what we're gonna have. But the sell, it's already it's on fire. So this one, it's moving quite nice after when it got activated in this area. So and this one, it's also on break even. So if you're interested on what I'm doing now, the way we're trading now, just let me know. Just go on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You know that you will see there that I'm offering a bundle which comes with my course, a mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. It's all together one time payment. You don't need to be paying any type of monthly fees. Now I want to show you here that this is the actual free Telegram group that I have. You could be part of that. You will find the link in the description below. I'm posting from time to time some setups in there. For example, this one on Nasdaq, when the price was there and then started selling, and pretty much what the market is right now at this point. So expecting the market to drop, perhaps back to this zone, and maybe a push to the upside if it's going to happen. You know, something big has to happen with the news right now. As I mentioned, fundamentals are very important right now because a lot of things are happening in the world, in the United States as well. So that they are affecting the movement of the markets. So that is basically it, guys. So I just wanted to give you a quick review what we did today, which wasn't pretty much we didn't have much action today. The market was a little slow for a Monday, and expecting the market to actually activate those orders, but it didn't do anything. So just waiting, you know. So that's it, guys. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting videos every single day. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below, or just follow me, as I mentioned, on my free Telegram group. You can also ask me questions directly in there. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.